With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the given question is, can a pendulum clock be used in an Earth satellite? Okay. So the first thing we know that in an Earth satellite, the acceleration due to gravity equals to 0 in an Earth satellite. Since the Earth satellite revolves in space, therefore the acceleration due to gravity is 0. Okay, and as we know that the time period of a pendulum clock is given by 2 pi root L by G. Okay, since if Z becomes 0, then time period becomes infinite. That is to say, if there is no gravity, then the bob will remain in air and it will neither come to its mean position or neither it will oscillate. Okay, so in space the block will not oscillate, hence time period will be infinite. So the pendulum clock cannot be used in an Earth satellite. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.